Okay, welcome all to my YouTube channel, Indian Expats in Netherlands. In case you are new to the channel, please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified immediately whenever such amazing contents are posted. The topic for today's discussion is why the Netherlands, and the target audience is students, job seekers, or people who come here on deputation. And with that, let's move on to the next slide. So, the topic is why the Netherlands. Basically, the Netherlands is increasingly becoming a popular destination for Indian expats. And here are some key points highlighting why is it considered a favorable place for expats. The strong economy and job opportunities is the first point that you see here. Netherlands has a strong economy with low unemployment rate. Sectors like technology, engineering, finance, and healthcare are continuously in the need of skilled professionals. Many international companies, including Indian firms, have their European headquarters in the Netherlands, providing ample job opportunities for expats. The second point is high quality of life. The country boasts an efficient public transport system, well-maintained roads, and a high standard of living. The healthcare system is known for its quality, and education is well structured with numerous international schools catering to the families of expats. The third point is cultural diversity and acceptance. The Dutch are generally known for their open mindedness, tolerance, making it easier for expats to integrate. The presence of diverse expat community, including many Indians, allow for the cultural exchange and support. The fourth point is language and communication. Many Dutch people speak English fluently, making it easier for Indian expats to communicate and navigate their daily life. Many communities even offer language classes, helping expats integrate better and feel more at home. The fifth point is work-life balance, which is quite crucial when it comes to the corporate work culture along with your personal life. The Dutch culture promotes a good work-life balance with a focus on personal time and the family time. Generous vacation policies and parental leave options also allow you for a balanced lifestyle. Rich culture and lifestyle. The Netherlands has a rich cultural heritage with numerous museums, art galleries, festivals, and events celebrating diversity. The food scene is vibrant with options ranging from traditional Dutch cuisine to Indian restaurants, allowing expats to enjoy a taste of home. Safe and stable environment. The Netherlands is considered one of the safest countries in the world with a low crime rate and a stable political environment. Social security. Expats benefit from a strong social security system, providing access to various benefits and protection. Last point is access to Europe. Because of its strategic location, the Netherlands provides easy access to the European countries for travel and exploration. Major airports like Schiphol in Amsterdam offer excellent international flight connections. So overall, these are the top 8 critical points why should one consider Netherlands as the country to be in. So the Netherlands offers Indian expats a combination of professional opportunities, high living standards, cultural diversity, and a welcoming community, making it an attractive place to live and work. The balance between work and life, along with the country's progressive values, adds to its appeal. You can obviously come here and experience this, but these are some of the top 8 points that one definitely considers and enjoys the best once he or she comes to the Netherlands. Moving on to slide, how easy or difficult it is to find a job and how do I apply for a job? So finding a job in Netherlands can vary depending on several factors such as your industry, skill level, language, proficiency, and network. Here are some key aspects to consider. Job market overview. Strong economy. The Dutch economy is robust with low unemployment rates and particularly in sectors like technology and engineering, healthcare, and finance. There's a continuous demand for skilled professionals in the field of IT, healthcare, and engineering. Roles related to data science, software development, and engineering are particularly sought after. Language proficiency. Many Dutch people speak English fluently, and many international companies operate in English. This can make it easier for non-Dutch speakers to find a job. However, in some sectors, especially in public services, education, and healthcare, knowing Dutch is essential. Learning the language can significantly improve the job prospects. So, language proficiency definitely plays a key role in case you're looking for a job opportunity in any of the public services in the Netherlands. The next point is on visa and the work permit. For non-EU citizens, obtaining a work visa can be a hurdle. Employers often need to demonstrate that no suitable candidate from EU is available for the role. This also enables a new program called Highly Skilled Migrant Program, where it facilitates the process for highly skilled workers to find a job in Netherlands. If you qualify, it can simply be as simple as just obtaining a work visa. Networking and connections. Building a professional network can be crucial. Attend industry events, joining professional associations, and leverage platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential employers. There are definitely job fairs and meetups which further expedite this. So, in the Netherlands, various job fairs and meetups are hosted where you get a chance of networking and also events where you can meet employers directly. There are recruitment agencies which many companies work with to find the candidates. Partnering with these agencies can help you to find job opening that suits your skill. Some agencies specialize in certain sectors which can increase your chance of finding a job. The next point is the job portals. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and local Dutch job portals such as National, Vacature Bank, and Monster Board are valuable resources for job hunting. You can also check the career section of the companies you are interested in and post many job openings directly on their websites. Cultural adaptation. A Dutch work culture values direct communication, teamwork, and a good work life balance. Understanding these cultural nuances can help you navigate interviews and workplace dynamics better. Internships and entry level positions. If you are new to the job market or changing careers, consider applying for internships or entry level positions to gain experience and build a local network. Some companies offer training programs specifically for international graduates, providing an entry point into the job market. So, finding a job in Netherlands can be relatively easy for skilled professionals, especially in high demand sectors, but it may be more challenging for those without Dutch language skills or specialized qualifications. Networking, understanding local job market, and utilizing recruitment agencies and online platforms can significantly enhance your job efforts. And with that, we have come to the end of our slide. Thank you for watching the video. In my next video, I will walk through the considerations while applying for a job in Netherlands. Until then, please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon and share along with your friends who are seeking directions or guidelines along these job opening opportunities in the Netherlands. Thank you and have a good day.